The AJAX Systems produces about 25 security devices at the moment and also shares them to around 80 countries. That is the official numbers. 25 devices. And the thing is that everything has its beginnings. This video is dedicated specifically to the beginnings, to the devices from which everything begins and is literally unimaginable without ones. The AJAX Central Hubs and the AJAX Central Hub Plus version. Before we go, a quick reminder that the official AJAX devices for you are located in the People Systems website, so go check us out following the link below. We got the best price available to our subscribers. Daniel here, breaking in.
Subscribe to People Systems YouTube channel and get your special offer on every deal.
The hub is a core and the brain of the entire AJAX system. It collects all the data about the sensors, status, and the occurring events in an encrypted form, analyzes that data, and decides what to do with that in a milliseconds, after what it reports regarding a situation with a system owner via a phone app and or directly to the security console or a security company with which the system's owner has a contract. I mean, let's say a motion sensor detected some intruder's movement, and what happens is that signal is transmitted from this sensor to the hub and then to the phone afterwards. So what it does, it actually controls every tied up sensor. The hub checks if the sensors are operating real time within a refresh rate of 12 seconds. The lithium backup battery inside makes it last up to 15 hours with no electricity grid down for the regular hub and up to 16 hours for a hub plus. And to clarify, the backup battery lifelong is not only the exact battery holding capacity increased, but a used internal parts energy consumption decrease, and also a firmware update that could make that happen. So always make sure to have a relevant firmware installed on your system, so you know what actually distinguishes a good product from a bad. It's a box, which makes a first impression, and I always love that regarding the AJAX systems. Both hubs are made in white and black bodies, though a regular hub's box is always white, when the Plus version is always black. And I'm sure that was made on purpose to distinguish them within a first glance. Now let's get the insights. A hub has a built-in SIM card slot, one 2G able slot for a regular hub and a two 3G able slots for a hub plus, used as a backup internet connection way, while the primary internet connection is transmitted via the LAN cable and a Wi-Fi or LAN cable for the Plus version. Well, if that's all about a security, then that's cool to have a second SIM card slot, a backup for a backup. Well, because why not? And here's, by the way, a power consumption supply input. So all the sensors are transmitting a data to the hub in an encrypted form via company's unique cellular radio technology, which basically converts the entire system to the pure frequencies 806, which makes, well, an extra protection against a jamming scenarios. And of course, it is protected from a various viruses at the program level and is frequently updated. Well, I guess what makes a real distinction between a regular and a Hub Plus version is a scale. I mean company scale, building scale, the system setup scale, and I mean a number of people in interaction with the system and a connected devices amount, like this. It's 50 users support for a regular hub and a 99 user support for a Hub Plus. A connected devices amount rate is 100 for a regular hub and 150 for a Plus version. In addition, a Plus version offers a Wi-Fi connection support, so you don't have to stretch the cable, but you can just enable a Wi-Fi. Also, we've got here an increased number of cellular standard support, like 3G, because a regular hub can only do 2G, and it's actually displayed in here. The top feature in both hubs is an ability to integrate with a third-party video surveillance cameras like Dahua, Hikvision, and others made by the RTCP protocol sustain. Coming next is a hub connection, activation, and a few sensors tie-up process to show you how fast and easy that is. And here it begins with a phone app. Well, because the Ajax is also a service, so they actually took care to make it really classy looking and convenient for the iOS, for the Android, and well, for the users actually. And next it continues with the power cable plugging, which you can find within a box which you get. And the LAN cable, well, again, it's located within the box contents too. So after you are plugged in the power, plugged in the internet, you see it lights with red. After it changes to the green, you are ready to go, ready to pair it up with your phone, with your system. And now I'm going to show you how to add this hub to your phone's AJAX app. Now we're gonna add one sensor, which is a door protect sensor, and show you how does it works real casing like you will use it in everyday life. So we press the add hub button, add manually, naming the hub, which is the hub plus in my case, and then pressing the scanning the QR code located on device's back. So be sure to slip this cover off and pressing the OK. Now a few seconds and it will tell me, yes, plus was assigned to Daniel. And there we go, with the open lid yet. Now we should add a room. Our room is a studio. Okay, well, it depends on the amount of rooms you have and the amount of devices and the users you actually have. Now what we do, adding the device. Add the device, and that will be the Ajax Door Protect. There we go, I mean this. So, you probably know this working principle. You just hang it indoors on the adjoining wall to your door, and well, and when the disjunction happens, well, you got the instant alert, you got the alarm, you got the sirens going on, you got everything going on in your phone. And now what we're gonna do, name the device, which is a door protect sensor, and scan the QR code located on the back of the main unit. There we go. And sign in a studio room. Okay. Now slipping the cover off and pressing the turn on button and authorized and add it to the system. What you really want to do, close the lid. Believe me, it's worth it actually. Because, well, the first is the temper, and the second, it won't work properly if you won't do this. So be sure to close it down. And there we are ready. Now I'm going to show you just how it happens. So when you just go out of home, going to the job, going on a vacation, doesn't matter, but you're going somewhere, you go into here and you arm the system. And there is it. Now, when the disjunction happens, you get the Ajax notification. And here it tells the open door protect in studio. And this is how it real case working. I'm gonna make a lot of more videos about this device, this, like every device will be recorded. But right now, the conclusion about the AJAX Hub. If we talk about the AJAX Hub, we are literally talking about the whole system, because this is where it begins, from a hub device, protected and encrypted against viruses and jamming with a few unique develops like a cellular radio technology, multiple cellular standards, backup battery built in right in it, multiple backup SIM card slots, and 2 types of internet connection support via a wired connection here and a wireless Wi-Fi connection. A lot of users to interact with, lot of sensors to interact with, a lot of awards like Security and Fire Excellence Award, the Intruder Alarm of the Year, and many others. We got all of the 25 AJAX Systems devices and a worldwide delivery in a People System store for you within a special offer if you will specify that you are a subscriber. The link is below and we are waiting for you in a store. Thank you for being with us today. Our goal is your security, people system.